How can you achieve your financial goals? Maybe you want to pay off debt, save for a big purchase, or start investing, but don't know where to start. In fact, setting clear financial goals is the first step you need to take. Setting financial goals gives your life direction. Without these goals, it's easy to wander aimlessly with your money, and this often leads to overspending or falling short of important financial milestones. Key points you should consider here are focus, measurable progress, and motivation. Financial goals give you a roadmap, helping you stay focused and motivated. When you set goals, you can track your progress, which keeps you accountable. Having specific goals makes it easier to make tough decisions, like cutting back on unnecessary spending to save for something important. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save money," saying, "I want to save $5,000 for an emergency fund by the end of the year" is much more specific and actionable. In order to set goals that actually work, use the SMART method. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Your goals should be clear. For example, instead of saying "save money," say "save $3,000 for a vacation." You need to be able to track your progress. Save $500 per month for the next 6 months is measurable. Make sure the goal is realistic. Don't set yourself up for failure by aiming too high. Your goal should matter to you and align with your overall financial priorities. Give yourself a deadline. Save $3,000 by the end of 2025 gives you a clear time frame. Here is a smart goal for you. Pay off $2,000 in credit card debt within the next 6 months by paying $350 each month. Besides, you need to break big goals into smaller steps. Large financial goals can feel overwhelming, but breaking them down into smaller, more manageable steps makes them easier to tackle. Let's say your goal is to save $10,000 for a down payment on a house. You should break it down. If you want to save $10,000 in 12 months, you'll need to save about $834 per month. That's a smaller, more actionable number compared to thinking about saving the full $10,000 up front. Once you break the big goal into smaller chunks, you can set mini goals and track your progress month by month. Here is a little tip for you. You can also categorize your goals. For example, if you're saving for a down payment, break it down by specific expenses like the deposit, inspection fees, etc. You can also prioritize your goals. Sometimes you'll have multiple financial goals at once. Maybe you want to save for retirement, pay off debt, and build an emergency fund. But doing all of these at once can be overwhelming. As for how to prioritizing your goals, you can start by working on short-term and long-term goals. Prioritize your short-term goals, like an emergency fund, first, since they'll protect you from unexpected expenses. Then, focus on long-term goals, like retirement or a house down payment. Emergency fund. First, before tackling larger financial goals, ensure you have a solid emergency fund. This will keep you from going into debt if unexpected expenses pop up. Start with paying off high-interest debt first, as it costs you more over time, then move on to saving for other goals like a vacation or retirement. Once your goals are set, create a plan to achieve them. A goal without a plan is just a wish. This is where budgeting and tracking come in. You can also make plans. Budgeting is crucial. Create a budget that allocates a specific amount each month toward your goals. If you're saving for a vacation, budget a set percentage of your income for that goal every month. Automation is important. Set up automatic transfers into savings accounts or pay down debt directly from your bank account so you don't have to think about it. And you should track the progress. Monitor your progress regularly. Every month, review how much you've saved or paid off and adjust if necessary. Don't forget to stay motivated. Achieving financial goals takes time, so staying motivated is key to success. Create a vision board or use apps to visualize your goals. Seeing your goals every day reminds you why you're putting in the effort. Don't wait until the very end to celebrate. When you reach a mini goal or milestone, reward yourself. You can also adjust your goals if needed. Life happens. If something comes up and you can't meet a goal on time, that's okay. Adjust the deadline or amount, but keep pushing forward. Example, if you're saving for a down payment and hit a mini goal, like saving $1,000, celebrate with a small treat or activity. Setting financial goals can be the difference between wandering aimlessly with your money and actually building wealth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to set their own financial goals.